Hello, thank you for watching. I'm going to do a quick video here on linking the GPS on this Holystone HS700 drone there. Okay, first there we want to take and turn the drone on. Now I know some of the earlier models of this don't have a power button, but the later ones do. We'll turn that on. Set it here on level ground. Okay, and then we'll go here, take and adjust the camera. See once. Okay, and then we want to take and turn on our transmitter by holding lock button and switching it on. And then we want to take and calibrate the gyro, which pull straight down on the throttle and yaw and to the left there. And you can see the lights on the drone there are blinking green now. Okay, and then it's searching for signal here. We'll take it, pick it up, and we're going to take it and turn it around 3 times this way. 1, 2, and 3. And then we want to take it, hold it up in the air, and do the same thing again. 1, 2, and 3. Then we'll set it back down here, and it's ready to fly there. And 1 on your remote, it shows satellites, which we still don't have any yet. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, there you go. Now there we are up to 9, so we can soon take off here. But before I take off, I'm going to connect it to the app here. Unlock my phone. And we want to go take and go in here to the Wi-Fi settings on the iPhone. Wi-Fi automatically connected. Must have recognized it there. And then we're going to go in to the Ophelia GPS app on the drone. Click on Go Next. And then next, and click, and let's see here, and there we're ready to take off, and we'll take off here once there. And then I'm going to take some video and post it along with this video on some footage filmed with the Holystone HS700 there. Oh, before you fly, you got to take and hit the unlock button, and then I'm going to use the auto takeoff. And up she goes. Nice and hovering there. Already we're going to include here, like I say, some video of it flying there recorded with it. Alrighty there, we're going to conclude a little test here of the Holystone HS700. Showed you there in the first part there, linking it up to the GPS, getting satellite signal. Now just going to show you a little bit the auto hover. Now it is fairly breezy out here at times, probably about 7 to 12 miles an hour, and we'll see what happens here. Alrighty, we're going to take off. Hey, we're going to fly it up here and see how it does hold there. Alrighty, I don't know how it gets zoomed in there on it. It seems to be holding its position fairly well, although not maybe as steady as what it could there. Or not, see if I can focus in. There it's up about 100 feet, maybe 120, probably about 10 mile an hour winds, and it is holding its ground pretty good there. Not too bad at all there. Okay, I'm going to take and set the camera down here, and then like I say, I'm going to bring it in. I sort of took a brief pause there on the way down. Well, all in all, I'd say fairly impressive on altitude, holding that with the wind conditions and that you can see. And it actually that time come closer to where it was. Alrighty, that sort of concludes the test out of it. Sort of happy with the purchase. The camera is sort of, what can you say, but it flies good, holds well in the wind. And actually this was the fourth time I've had it out flying. Now the first couple I thought it really seemed like it seemed anemic on the power, but it sure did not tonight there. Maybe it just needed to loosen up and get them broke in there and the newness out of it. Now that's one other thing that I haven't seen in the instructions, didn't see in the videos. Most drones have like a low and high speed on power. I don't see any options on this, but maybe I'm overlooking something there. But thanks for watching. Like I say, all in all, a good drone there. I honestly think there perhaps, maybe it's about, I paid $284 for it. I think maybe it is about more of a $200 drone, but still, I don't regret the purchase. I'm real pleased, and like I said, it hovered well in about 8 to 12 mile an hour winds, and like I say, did do everything it's supposed to. And as far as the camera, you could upgrade with another camera. I have a cheap action camera across tour, which I will admit it's not great, but it is better than this. But with that, that's the only thing you're not going to have your viewing of when you're actually taping there. So you win, you lose. But on that, thanks for watching. Thank you.